how to add debit card to Western Union app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add debit card to Western Union app. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is open Western Union application, and then you're going to head over, click on more over here. Now, if you have the option of customizing your profile, you'll be able to see the profile option over here, and then you can simply add your debit card to that. So that typically depends on your phone's version and also your application version and whether your country allows that or not. And if you don't have option over there, what you can do is simply head over to track and select whether you're a receiver or a sender. And then you're going to click on track a transfer without MCTN. And then what you're going to do is click on amount sent over here, click the amount over here. And once you type down the amount, they will ask you for your debit card number from which the amount will be deducted. And once done, you'll be able to see that your debit card has been added to Western Union application for any future transactions as well. So that is basically how you can add debit card to Western Union application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.